Hey, it's Nate with Big Hot Homestead, and from my last video, if you don't recall, we made a big mess. So I split this video into two parts because I don't like to make videos too long for y'all, so you can kind of watch it and see what's going on. But what I'm going to do is, now that the sun is going down, it's a little cooler out, we're going to go ahead and start chopping up all that wood, turning it into firewood. Some of the bigger stuff, cut it up for larger sections so that we can turn it into 1-inch planks on the sawmill for a bridge project, and get it all cut up so that we can hopefully feed it into the wood chipper and wrap it all up. So let's get to it. All right, we took that oak down because it was leaning really bad, so if I let it get bigger and bigger, it was just going to be a bad tree altogether. Sunlight, but we made a lot of progress. There's lots of cords getting cut for rounds getting cut for splitting. It's a bunch of stuff here we still have to cut down to log firewood size. That over has been done. We did take down this one oak. Again, it was really leaning bad, so it's not good to keep. So tomorrow I will come back out here with the chipper, start cleaning it up. I'll probably make a pile too that will burn because I can't chip all this, and start cutting it up to firewood again more. But it's good progress. So the first part here, just to reiterate, I cut a lot of trees out in this spot to open it up. As I move up in there, it'll be a little bit more picky. I will leave locusts up there. I was just going to get all the locusts that are low down here out of the way, and then I'll leave some up there on the property as well. I don't want to completely get rid of them up on the hill, but making progress, getting it done. All right, it is a new day. There was a lot of stuff that we cut, so I didn't really get to do all the stuff I wanted to last night. We kind of ran out of light. So today we're going to be doing a lot of chipping, and I'm going to get a lot of the lumber that's out down there either piled up to burn. It's too big to chip, but too small to actually make into firewood. And right, I got most of this stuff all chipped up, cleaned up over here. That dead one it did not like, so we're not gonna do that again. I'm gonna get this all done one night. Well, what I'm gonna try to do is a lot of these logs here I'm gonna try to cut up for firewood right now, so I can kind of stack them, get them out of the way, get some of these down to a better size as well, and then walk them over here and we'll chip some more. So if I'm lucky, I'll get this portion done right here in the middle. If I'm really lucky, I'll get over there, but I don't see that happening today. But let's get to it. All right, it's looking better. Cutting it up, getting it stacked. Most of that stuff I think I'm gonna haul down over there and we'll put a burn pile. But I'm gonna go make some dinner. I might get out here for another 30 minutes just to make the burn pile. So let's do it. Well, Got this all cleared up. It's all piled up now. I've got little piles started. I've got that all ready to get out of here. It's cut. I cut the ones over there. Got some more stuff to toss over there, but I'm shot for today. So I'll come back tomorrow and see what I can get done. Most of this now is just cutting up for firewood. I got most of that little junk out of the way, but all right, we'll go on to, I guess, day 3. Got myself some more mulch made. This is day 3. That mulch, big old pile over there, and it's really cleaned up now. I'm pretty much just down to logs. I have some little stacks of some smaller stuff I'm gonna run through this chipper still, but this time I'm going to go through here and I'm gonna start cutting up what firewood I need or what other stuff I need here. Some of this I'll keep as beams. Stuff I'm going to do, and then probably will mill some of this down as well to some planks for the bridge. We'll be out here and do some more cut and roll, but it's raining, so I was hoping to get out here and cut some more up before it rained, and maybe I'll get back out here later, but it's supposed to be a rainy couple days now, so that might be it for now. Well, lucky for me, it stopped raining, so now I can load this up into here. I think I lost my little cover. Oh, this is fun. It's Nate with Big Ha Homestead, and this is, I believe, the end of part 3 of the hill cleanup and clearing. That's a lot of locust I got. We got to process that. We're going to have to stack it. And like I said, right now we're still working on next year's wood. The plan is to go about, I'd like to get about a 3-year supply of actual cut wood on the property so that I know it's really, really, really good and dry. That's one of the big parts of is some of the wood is really dry I have, some of it may not be. I do a lot of deadfall, so that helps a lot on that, but this stuff is much alive and is going to definitely need a good amount of time to dry. So with that, I hope you enjoyed part 3. For we're gonna have some fun projects with that larger lumber that's up there right now, so that we can go ahead and turn it into some planks, turn it into a bridge. So that content's coming, and I hope you like, subscribe, share it. It really actually helps on YouTube. If you watched the video and enjoyed it, please give that a thumbs up. And with that, have a good one.